with a brand new edition of the North Georgia Wrestling Hour, the course. Colts out here running around. Junior, why are you out here running around like a chicken with your head cut off?
I'm excited, Sammy.
Why are you excited?
The round mound of sound is in the house.
You don't
Joseph's in the house. Joseph's in the house.
Joe Pedicino is here?
Yeah. Joe Pedicino's here.
Did you invite him down or what?
Huh? Yeah. And he accepted. He's coming to our
good. That's
show.
good. That's good. There's a few things we can talk to Joe about.
Yeah. Oh, I gotta get hot towels. Oh, hi, folks. I'm Junior.
Your name's there. Everybody knows who you are.
I gotta get hot towels. Hot towels for Joseph. Hot towels
we got a heck of a show lined up for you this week. This is the week everyone's been waiting for, the first of the three. Next week we're going to see 2 cage matches. This week we're going to see 1. It will be between the Harley-Davidson crew and the North Georgia Tag Team Champions, the Nasty Critters. Of course, they're going to have a partner. So it's a 6-man tag team match inside of a steel cage. It took place right there in Rome, Georgia, in front of a packed house. You are going to be seeing it this week on the North Georgia Wrestling Alliance, and I'm telling you, you're not going to like what happened. Also in the Truth segment this week, Mike Golan and Big Bo's out talking about because next week,
we need more
Mike Golan and Bubba will be taking place inside of a steel cage at hair versus hair. Somebody's going to be losing their little ponytail exactly like I lost mine. Also, Blake, we'll see him in action this week. We'll see the PYTs with their manager, Skinny Kenny. Junior, get over here.
What? No.
I know you've been using some of this Skinny spray stuff here.
Oh,
yeah.
It really works.
It really works, yes. So we're going to get Joe out here next segment talking to us?
Yeah.
What's the towel for?
Huh?
What's the towel for?
Well, Joe wanted hot towels. I got to get a masseuse. Where's the masseuse?
While Junior takes care of all that right now, let's go to our first matches. We see the big man, the man they call Blake, is his manager, Big Tex. He takes on David Hunter. Stay with us.
Yeah, stay with us. Oh, more cold cuts on that buffet.
Starting things off this week.